Hi, I'm Jerry Dill, Dill's Greenhouse. Today's April 17th, tax day. We got our coats back on. It was 80 all last week, it seemed like. People were in here buying everything. Probably some things they shouldn't have bought. So be careful tonight. I think there's 4 nights in the 10-day forecast where it's going to be in the 30s at night. So if you bought the tender stuff, you're probably going to have to protect it. Well, we have a sale every week, and that's why we have our tree and shrub sale in the middle of April, because this is the kind of weather you can get sometimes. So this week until next Sunday, 15% off all trees and shrubs. It's our best sale of the year on that until we get to the end of the year. So tree and shrubs 15% and all week. Stop out and see us. That's something you can do in this cold weather. During our 40th anniversary sale, we're going to have certain plants we pick, and they'll be on sale that week for, guess what, 40% off. So this week is hostas. Probably our most popular perennial. So if you're going to buy some hostas this spring, stop out this week. You get 40% off. We limit you to 6. Thanks. Stop by and see us.